In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use keyboard shortcuts in Google Docs. This helpful guide will make your workflow faster and more efficient. Mastering these shortcuts can save you time and enhance your productivity. Let's dive right in and explore how you can simplify your Google Docs experience. First, let's open Google Docs. Simply navigate to your web browser and type in Google Docs into the search bar. You'll see a link to access Google Docs. Go ahead and click on it. Once the interface loads, you'll notice various document options, including starting with a blank document or choosing from a template. For this tutorial, we're going to work with an existing document, so click on the document that you'd like to edit. Now that we have our document open, let's learn some basic but extremely useful shortcuts, starting with formatting text. If you want to make your text bold, the shortcut to remember is Ctrl and B for Windows users, or Command and B if you're on a Mac. Click inside your document, highlight the desired text, and press these keys. Instantly, you should see your text change to bold, which makes it stand out in your document. Next, let's move on to copying and pasting text, an essential function for any document work. First, highlight the text you wish to copy. Use Ctrl and C on Windows or Command and C on a Mac to copy the selected text. Once you've copied the text, go to the location in your document where you'd like to place it. Now, use Ctrl and V on Windows or Command and V on a Mac to paste the text. These simple keyboard actions can save you a substantial amount of time by keeping your hands on the keyboard rather than constantly switching between the mouse and keyboard. Let's now talk about cutting text. Cutting is similar to copying text, but it removes the text from its original position. To cut text, highlight what you want to relocate and press Ctrl and X if you're on Windows or Command and X for Mac users. Then, just as with pasting, move to the new location where you want the text to appear and hit Ctrl and V or Command and V to paste it. Finally, let's discuss how to use highlighting in your document. Once you have your text selected, move your cursor to the highlight tool icon located in the toolbar at the top